We often associate ethical hacking with noble intentions, a means to protect us from cyber threats. But, what if I told you that within this world of ethical hacking lies a dark side? Today, we delve into the controversial topic of adware and ethical hacking. Adware, short for advertising-supported software, is a form of malicious software that bombards users with unwanted advertisements. Ethical hackers have been known to utilize adware as a tool to expose vulnerabilities in systems, ultimately enhancing security. But let's pause for a moment and ask ourselves, is this practice ethical? Does the end justify the means? Critics argue that the use of adware crosses ethical boundaries, as it deceives users, invades their privacy, and violates their trust. Adware can infiltrate our systems through seemingly harmless downloads or hidden within freeware and shareware programs. Once installed, it tracks our online activities, collects personal information, and bombards us with targeted advertisements. It's like having a digital spy lurking on your computer. Proponents of adware and ethical hacking argue that by simulating real-world cyber threats, it helps identify vulnerabilities and bolster security measures. They believe that the potential harm caused by adware is outweighed by the benefit it brings in safeguarding our digital world. However, it's worth noting that the use of adware should always be done transparently and with the consent of the users involved. Communication is key in ensuring that adware is used responsibly, without causing unnecessary harm or exploiting individuals. In conclusion, the topic of adware and ethical hacking is a complex one. There are valid arguments on both sides, but what remains important is ensuring ethical boundaries are respected, user consent is obtained, and transparency is maintained. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.